Last time, I used 6,000 shells to create a lamp for the master bedroom, a gigantic shell lamp with a magical vibe. During the day, it sounds beautiful when the wind blows through like a giant wind chime. At night, the light filtered through the natural shells is warm and sophisticated. However, the stainless steel curtain I installed originally somewhat affected my enjoyment of it, so I took it down and replaced it with a sheer one. I removed the original base and filled in the holes. Now it feels much fresher. I bought these ultra-thin curtains. A thin layer will definitely have a low presence. These curtains require a lot of expansion screws for installation. The ceiling has a cement framework that I can't penetrate. I thought of an easier solution. I cut the marone bone to the size of the wall. I used a wooling steel gun to nail it to the wall. Apart from the gun being a bit heavy, it went into the wall easily. This way, it can hold around 100 pounds without any issue. Then I could directly use screws to install the curtain cover. It's really convenient. Even though it was installed this way, it still doesn't look very hidden. I'll add some solid wood trim to cover the track a bit. The installation method remains the same, which is nailing a few small wooden pieces in front of the curtain track. Then, I'll attach the pre-painted decorative trim directly to the small wooden pieces. This way, it covers the curtain track. Plus, it adds a French trim to the room. It's a win-win. Without the obvious curtain rod, it enhances the room's height. The curtain is now higher. I replaced the curtains with 4-meter-high ones. It's truly spectacular. Well, my bedroom is finally finished. Who can even tell if I'm at home or on vacation? I want to relax here and comfortably welcome my 30s, just in time for the National Day holiday after finishing the bedroom renovation. No renovations allowed during the holidays. I want to add a wall lamp to my office. The main light isn't even enough. Let's sort these two lights out. Next, let's immerse ourselves in creating a Tiffany-style glass wall lamp. Hang a circle of glass tassels on the lamp. A beautiful Tiffany tassel lamp is now complete. Let's attach it to the lamp stand. I finally have both wall lamps ready. I really love this vintage vibe. It feels both elegant and glamorous. Life is an illusion. In this moment, I can feel that beauty is real. I actively spent $150 at the seafood market for a little something. I brought it back home. Some viewers are curious, where do I find those cheap yet beautiful pieces of furniture? Actually, I just browse secondhand websites when I have time, though they're inexpensive. Most of them require some effort. I live a bit far out. A round trip to downtown Hangzhou takes about an hour. I usually buy at least 3 items at a time. It takes me ages to pick and bring them back. The first item today is a small entryway table. I found it for 400 yuan. It's a bit pricey, but it's solid wood throughout. The design is also beautiful. It fits perfectly in my office. It can hold all sorts of odds and ends. The original price was around 1,000. So it's worth it. The second item is a round coffee table. I snagged it for 150. It has an American style. The third item is my lamp. After picking up all 3 items, it was already dark. I didn't even get a good look at what the lamp looked like. It's a bit smaller than I expected. The crystals have also fallen off. Since it's missing quite a bit, I'll just remove all the crystals. This lamp is pretty dirty. I'll clean it with alcohol wipes. Let's sanitize it as well. The color that comes off is decent. It's a nice neutral shade that I like. There's still some glass left. The original glass box I made has completely worn out. I'll hang the beads back onto the original rings for the crystals. I'll use the shorter ones for the Tiffany glass lamp. This way, I won't need to hang the shorter beads again. The emerald beads really add a touch of elegance. You look much more elegant. It matches my office perfectly. The office has been tidied up. The holiday is almost over. I'm about to start decorating the master bedroom's living area. I'm so excited.